Welcome back, guys, to the drawing channel. We're gonna do a little unboxing on the sketchbook. Hope you guys enjoy this content. Let's get started. There's a batch more sketchbook, 9x12. Let me show you the size. 9x12, 100 sheets, 68 pounds. And all right, let's see what it looks like. Okay. Let's get this open real quick. Pretty neat, clean. There we go. So here it is, guys. Look at this. What do you guys think? Please leave down a comment. All right, there we go. Nice top quality sheets that we got here. You see that, guys? Very clean. Let's check the back. Just a regular back of the book. Pretty clean. All right, guys, well, there it is. Hope you guys enjoy this content. I'm gonna start posting videos of drawings. I mean, I'm not too of a big expert, but we'll start beginning doing those kind of videos, and hopefully you guys enjoy. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. I'll keep these videos rolling. Hey, y'all have a great day. Thank you.